Hi everybody, this is City Scrapper. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have the reveal of the December My Creative Scrapbook limited edition kit. I'm going to show you the papers first and then I'll move on to the embellishments that are in the kit. For this month, we got the beautiful 49 and Market Vintage Artistry Peace and Joy collection. So I will show you all those papers, and then we also got some papers from Blue Fern Studio, and I'll show you those as well. So this is just a beautiful collection. I just love 49 and Market papers. This is the A side, and then this is the beautiful B side as well. I am very much looking forward to using this circle, the doily, and the blue background. I'm really excited to use these. I often don't do an unboxing because I dive into the material so quickly and I start using them before I have a chance to show you what everything looked like when I first took it out of the box. Look at this beautiful watercolor look. And then on the back, there's a solid, some stars and music notes, and on the back this beautiful green and stripe. Beautiful. There's little birds and it looks like holly leaves to me, so pretty. And then the green on the back. And I think this is my favorite paper, although they're all beautiful. I absolutely love the red, the green, and the blue together on this page. I'm excited to use this one as well. And then there's some red on the back. And then, like I said, in addition to the 49 and Market papers, there's also some Blue Fern Studios papers from the Christmas Cheer collection. And these are also so stunning. So pretty. And then I feel like there's a similarity between the looks of the two collections. And there's this one with the stockings, and then this beautiful background. And then this is a beautiful paper. This could be used for Christmas or really just for winter. Okay, so those are all of the beautiful papers. Also in the kit, you get 2 sheets of the 49 and Market die cuts or punch outs, whatever you want to call them. They do punch out very easily from the sheets. There are so many beautiful images. I love these roses. And I love including florals on my layouts. So I'm so excited to see so many florals, branches, the pine needles. I love this little bird and the deer. And I love the way there's some sentiments, a title and some other sentiments to round out the layouts. And then here's a whole other sheet, again, with lots of florals. And on this page, there's also, just like on the other one, some frames. Here's the trees, another smaller deer, some poinsettias. So pretty. The next thing that we got, I believe this is a Vicky Bouton stencil. And this is perfect for either Christmas or wintertime, anytime you want to put some pine needles and some snow on your layouts. I love stencils. I have a little obsession with stencils, so I'm always happy to get a stencil. Another item that we got with this kit is the 49 and Market Ephemera pack from the Peace and Joy collection. I don't know if you're familiar with these packs from 49 and Market. They are jam-packed with ephemera pieces. So I took off the plastic because it's very crinkly. I did want to show you the back because it shows you all of the pieces that you get. So you get everything that's pictured here. And even though this is complete and you could see everything, I did want to give you an idea of all of the pieces of everything that you get and the scale of everything. So I'm not going to show you every last piece because there are so many pieces, but you could see that there are titles, there are lots of tabs, there are lots of frames. I noticed that there are these beautiful frames in all different colors. so nice. Then there are there's some florals, some tags. You can see here lots and lots of titles. I love when the titles are pre-made for me. There are these little torn bits, a postcard. You could see there are a number of each of these, and you could see a lot of little sentiments to include on your layout. Like I said, lots of frames, lots of tags, so many wonderful things to add to your layouts. So I can't wait to get started with that. I'm just going to gather all of these up. We had gotten the ephemera pack in August. There was a beautiful beach themed kit that we got, and I couldn't believe how many pieces there were in it. And now for my very favorite part of the kit, maybe it's your favorite too. I'm a little obsessed with these flowers. There is a beautiful set that is not sparkly, but goes beautifully with the papers in the collection. And then there are 2 packs of poinsettias. They're just gorgeous. I just love all of the florals, all of the sparkle. I love the gold centers, and I just can't wait to start creating. I hope you enjoy your limited edition kit, and I hope you enjoy all of the beautiful layouts that everybody on the team makes, and I'll have some process videos for you very soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.